Once you have the OdorFree unboxed, let's go through the treatment steps. In case you haven't already installed the plates, remove the white filter from the back of the machine and insert all of the plates included with the OdorFree for maximum ozone output. The plates can be left in the unit after use. Preparing the treatment area. Prepare the treatment area by closing all outside doors and windows and opening all inside doors, closets, and cabinets. If possible, set the thermostat between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit and set the fan to on. Setting the fan to on will keep the air and ozone circulating throughout the space, as well as clearing out any odors in the ductwork. Setting up the OdorFree. The OdorFree is usually placed on a table with a 3-pronged outlet nearby and plugged in. Moving to the front of the machine, you will see 2 easy-to-use dials. The top dial is for the ozone output strength, and the lower dial is a timer. As a good rule of thumb, always set the ozone output to high. The timer dial will turn the unit on and then off when the time is up. The time is typically set between 2 to 12 hours, depending on the size of space and severity of odor. The exception is the Autel 1000, which is used to treat small spaces like cars and hotel rooms for between 5 to 60 minutes. It is important to note that all models also have a hold setting to allow the unit to run indefinitely until turned off manually. Before setting the dials, be sure to refer to the Quick Start Guide for suggested treatment times. It provides quick and easy instructions for operating the machine for the first time. If you're short on time, the Quick Start Guide is the fastest way to get up and running. For more detailed information, the included OdorFree Ozone Treatment Manual covers a wide variety of odor solutions and treatment times. Start the OdorFree and vacate the area. Before turning on the unit with the timer dial, decide how long you plan to treat the space. When ready, move the timer dial to the desired setting. The red power light will turn on, the fan will spin, and the ozone will begin to flow. At this point, vacate the area of people and pets. Ozone is only for use in unoccupied spaces. We include a door hanger to alert others that an ozone treatment is in process. Remember to allow at least 2 hours after the OdorFree has turned off before reoccupying the space. Return to the space. Upon return, make sure the timer dial is in the off position. Open any outside doors and windows if needed to help dissipate any remaining ozone smell. Tip for deeply entrenched odors. Every odor situation is different. For deeply entrenched odors, there may be times when additional treatments are necessary. Purpose of the hold setting. If you ever need longer treatment than the timer allows, turn the dial to the hold position. This allows the OdorFree to run longer than the maximum setting. Then, vacate the area. Upon return, turn the timer dial to off. Then exit and allow at least 2 hours before reoccupying the space. To speed up ozone dissipation or ventilation, you may want to open windows and doors. We know that you may have questions about ozone treatment in your particular situation, and we are here to respond and assist. Please feel free to call the Odor Answer Line at 800-558-6723. Our staff of U.S.-based ozone specialists are available from 9 a.m. until 9 p.m. Eastern Time, or you may email us at support@odorfree.com.